G'day guys, welcome back to 4Wd Offroad. We're just out here in Wollongong and we're taking a ride down some of the fire trails. So we just left the cars back there and we'll get out onto one of the haul roads. Oh shit. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm using the joystick to brake coming down this hill. Do you need goggles or glasses? I think I've got a couple of pairs. Yeah, your eyes water, eh?
Yeah.
Might be a bit tight now. Loosen the strap a little bit?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Then just lift it up at the back.
Alright, we'll see if we can use this one hard enough. Yeah, that might help a bit.
Yeah. Hey Naf, where's that drinking straw? Burnt out car. It's like a Holden Commodore. They used to use in this area, but it's pretty rough track, so it'll be pretty slow going. It's 10:30 AM and we take it from Wollongong to Karaka. So we'll just cruise down here and we'll see how far we can get. Pretty whooped out. A lot of junk laying around. Check this out. All the shit that people leave laying around. Pretty bad. Yeah, it's about 23 degrees today. Oh, we got a little bit of rain last night, or the last few nights. So there's a little bit of water laying around, which is good. A little bit of something different. As long as it's not too muddy and too boggy. So Naf and Brian, they're ahead. They're in the two-seater 570. And I'm in the two-seater 570 joystick drive. And then behind me is James, he's in the single-seater 900. I'll cruise on a bit more. We've got another water hole. We may as well go through these. Not too deep. A little bit of fun. Oh, we've got lots of water, nice. Track. It's just slow going. You just pick your smooth lines, go around a few rocks, nothing seriously challenging. But more than that, just nice being out in the bush, enjoying the scenery. Pretty big bushfire area, this area. Every summer has big fires through here. That bog hole looks a little bit deep, so I'll skip that one. So does this one. I don't think I'll take that one. nice after a bit of rain, there's no dust. Water. It's pretty rough going on the fire trucks coming through here. We'll hit these waterways. Oh, it was a little bit deeper, that one. Straddle this one. Lost a little bit of control then. A little bit rocky section. We'll go around those rocks. Come up through here. Well, it looks like a pretty deep one, that one. We'll go around the right side. Definitely don't want to fall in that. What about this one? I reckon we stick to the left on here and just drop the right wheels in, maybe. You never know how deep they are, so. Slow section. We'll just shut off here for a minute. Oh,
What a trip.
that was alright, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that section. Good views, plenty of water. Yeah, it's good. I can see your tracks too with it being a bit wet.
Oh, yeah.
I know where you're going.
And we do some burnout.
Yeah, I see your burnouts.
And we lose some stuff on the way.
Do you?
Yeah.
Bouncing out.
Yeah.
Are you hanging on, Brian, or what?
No way back.
We're gonna head that way. Yeah.
Oh, I'll be confident.
No, you drive. Yep, we'll be right. Not that deep. Done 100 donut. We'll wait for James. Nice being out here in the forest.
It's getting cold, that's all.
It's quiet.
It is quiet. You can listen to the birds.
Like someone came and dumped a mattress.
I know. What's the time?
11:45.
3.
Yeah. What do you guys want to do? Have something to eat here, or? That was a nice ride through there, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone left their mattress behind.
Yeah, I had a bit of a nap, I reckon.
Yeah.
The Quintec and the Coca-Cola probably is
Yeah, Coca-Cola sounds good.
no, it's, oh, you don't need it?
Yeah, I'll have some.
Yeah, it's probably gonna fizz out.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of these trees look like they've been planted.
I like it where the track narrows right down and the trees like go over the top.
Are you driving on 2 wheels, is it?
Yeah, 2 wheel.
No, that's not good. You have to be on 4 wheel.
No, but I turned 2 wheel after I came here. Tried to do the burnout.
No, but the way you can tell you.
Albany Highway's just over there.
It's not that far over there.
About the same distance, Jarrahdale.
Okay.
Albany Highway.
Yep. So it's 12 now. Geez, probably an hour from back there, you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe we'll just ride for another half an hour.
Yeah.
And then just
Otherwise.
No.
if we go to if we go to the very end, then you know you just got to hang a left until you go onto the tarmac and then left up that road.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or maybe we'll just follow Brian.
Well, Brad, I think
Maybe not.
we're gonna come 2 times and then Brad was gonna be confident with you.
Yeah, probably 2
Yeah,
times.
yeah, and the first time now. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. That's it for the day.
That's it for today.
Naf's spoken up.
Yeah, you can put it in the baggie.
Brake. Oh yeah. I just couldn't. Hang on, I'll get it. Okay, so we've had some lunch, so we're going to keep going down this track, and we're going to ride for about another half an hour, and then we're going to head back towards the cars. This time James has gone ahead in the 900, and Naf and Brian have followed me in the 570. Oh, I like this section. Oh, what do you reckon here? We'll just go through it. A bit muddy and slimy. That looks alright. We'll cruise up through this narrow track. It's beautiful, look at this. Absolutely awesome. It looks like he went straight, doesn't it? You can see the marks. Yeah, we did talk about going left, but
Yeah, he said 5K.
yeah, okay.
That's not 5K.
All right, we'll go straight. Yeah, we don't want to get separated from each other. It looks like they've maintained this track. Been freshly graded. And this is nice through here. I've had a bit of a blowout. My joystick's come apart.
All good?
Yeah, my joystick came off. Hang on, let me just yeah. I think we glued that on, but it came off. Alright, we'll just see Could be a challenge, but we'll see. Just trying to push it down at the same time. Forestry must have been out here to maintain these roads. Not much of a track to the right anyway. Little snake around here. It's a little bit slow going, which is fine. I don't mind it when it's a little bit slower and a little bit more technical or whatever. Oh, beautiful coming through here, look at that. Looks really nice. I wonder how long ago they had the grading through here. It doesn't seem that long ago. Probably just ready for the fire season. Maybe each year they pick different tracks to grade and smooth over. That first track we were on was super rough. So this one's pretty good. He's gone this way, eh?
Yep.
I'll follow you for a little bit. Yeah, to the right over there is like a bit of a pine forest. Well, it is a pine forest. To the left's just your regular forest. It's a nice ride through there too. Check out this view ahead. And I don't know if the camera picks that up nicely, but I like how all the trees come over the top of the trail. And then all the trees, they top at the touch at the top there. Oh, check this out. We've got another guy cruising through on a Can-Am or something. He was in a General 1000 RZR. Campers there. I reckon we hang a left here and go through the pine forest. Yeah, we'll go through the pine forest this time and we'll see if this comes back out on the whole road.
Thanks for joining us on our little adventure today. If you have any questions about the modifications to the Polaris or are interested in taking a look if you're from the Perth area or possibly even having a ride, I am more than happy to help if you have a similar injury or in a powered wheelchair. Time for us to get home, clean everything up and get ready for the next one. Bye.